had this idea to prank my nephew. Like, I don't do pranks or whatever, like I'm not into pranks or anything, but I want to get my nephew, like, he been bad, he really deserves a stocking of coal, but I'm going to prank him. And the way that I'm going to prank him is, we've been talking about getting him a phone for the longest for Christmas, but my sister them, they're still gonna give him a phone or whatever, but he's not gonna get it till after Christmas. He's not going to get it Christmas Day, but I'm going to act like I got him one. So I still have the box to my old iPhone 8. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take my iPhone 8 that I have now. This is my current phone. Like, this is mine. Like, did me. That ain't for you. So this is my phone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out the case, I'm going to clean the phone up or whatever, and then I'm going to put it back in the box. And then I'm going to, I don't have any plastic. Like, it would have been looking like real official if I would have had plastic, and if I would have had like some a screen, you know, the little screen protector thingy piece. If I would have had that on there, it would just look super official. Like, it would look like it's a brand new phone. Hopefully he still kind of go for it, but I'm going to actually wrap it up. And if he asks me why it's not in the plastic or anything, I'm gonna say because they've already set it up or something like that. I'm gonna make him believe that it's actually his phone, and then when he turn it on, he gonna see my damn face. So I feel bad, but you know, he getting a phone, so it is what it is. But we are going to prank him. Well, I'm going to prank him tomorrow morning. It's Christmas morning, y'all. We up trying to get the kids stuff together. This is what I got for my little baby niece, y'all. Got her a little couple of outfits. Like my little baby. Renae got some shoes. Alright, y'all, so the kids are in the back. They're brushing their teeth and getting ready, y'all. It's almost that time. Y'all see our tree? Yes. Get ready for their little few little gifts. And so we're going to get to see two of them open their gifts right now, and then we'll get to see the others open their gifts a little bit later on. I was going to do that prank on him, y'all, but I think, oh y'all, my lip gloss pop, okay. But anyway, y'all, I think it's too much to do it right now on Christmas, so I'm gonna wait another day to do it. This will be a surprise. What? Don't be trying to sneak looks. Well, you can't do nothing anyway. I'm gonna get to know you better. Facts. David, come on, they finna open their stuff. Alright, he done had a seat. Who has a seat on Christmas morning before they open their stuff? Y'all supposed to be yelling and screaming. Woo-hoo! Oh, I'm so excited. I gotta get excited for them, y'all. They ain't excited enough.
You asked for the rubber band thing.
Look, he excited about damn rubber bands, y'all.
That's Ryan.
I could have got you that from the beauty supply store. Oh,
Just open it. Merry Christmas.
where did it come from?
I'm the only way
Where did it come from?
I brought it when it in Walmart.
yeah. So she said, Renae, you should have brought the page now saying how.
What Keela got? Here, record. Hold on, let me, here, hold it. Hold the camera. The camera. Oh, who got you that?
Another charm.
Oh,
Bracelet.
when you got that, she was lucky. Y'all, my sister got me some AirPods. My sister and my brother-in-law. They so sweet. Oh. What's in this Michael Kors bag? Oh, somebody got a big purse, big money. That's cute. Y'all look at me with my AirPods.
Dirty, y'all get cheese yesterday.
Listen, what's up, y'all? Day 2 of the Davin and Quoia vlog. That's Davin, this Quoia. I mean, this Davin. She happy. I don't need nothing. That's a big gift though.
I like my Christmas because it was excelente. I had a bunch of electronics.
It was excelente, perfectamento.
PS4. And then I got some rubber bands to make some bracelets and all.
Okay.
It's good.
Bam, there it is. There go the thumbs up.
I did enjoy my Christmas.
Okay.
And I
Tell me about
got my reborn baby doll, and I got it's like a writing kit, and I got a nail kit.
Hey, you happy? Bam, there it is. Big bro over there in the cut. Yeah, he thought he was sick. Hey, you enjoy everything too, man? You already know. Here you go. So
Enjoy your Christmas?
yes.
What you enjoyed?
I had a wonderful Christmas. You know what I'm saying?
What you enjoyed?
I enjoyed that Quoia didn't get angry not one time. I ain't have to hear her mouth.
Christmas ain't
She
over.
ain't wake up mad for one time.
Christmas ain't
You
over.
know? Yeah, ain't over yet.
No, it can still come.
Okay. So I'm still waiting on the end of my gift then. That she can go the whole day. Bam. Perfect crew.
Shut up. Y'all, my mama cooking breakfast. We're gonna have breakfast in a minute. I'm gonna pitch in on the breakfast. Or at least I'm gonna pretend like I did.
Yeah, you better at that.
Okay. Can I just get
Y'all,
one?
today we're gonna try to attempt to make our gingerbread house look like this. Hopefully it turn out like this because I'm gonna help this time. So we'll see.
Hey.
That's really our favorite.
Keon got a jungle game? Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, Kayla. Where's Kaya? Ooh, Keon.
wanna go wrong?
Kayla,
Come here.
It's for both of them. It's for both of them. It's a shared gift. It's for both of y'all. Y'all gotta share it. That's for both of them.
Oh, you talking about that?
And this for Quoia too.
What's wrong, Kia?
Oh my God.
Why you doing?
what she got?
What? What's wrong with Keon?
What's wrong, Kia?
Keon, what's wrong?
You don't like the ball set?
What's wrong with you? Keon, what's wrong? Hold on. What's wrong? Come here. What's wrong?
What's wrong with him?
What's wrong? Tell me what's wrong. What's wrong? Tell me what's wrong.
What's wrong with you, man? You must be grateful
Tell
for
me what's
anything.
wrong.
For everything.
Tell her what's wrong.
What's wrong with you, man? You want to do this thing straight.
What is wrong with you?
He's not
You
playing.
gotta wait till after Christmas to get everything that you want.
That's why Kia not playing.
We gonna get it everything you want after Christmas. You gotta wait till after Christmas before we get everything. But we want you to open it.
I'll hold it while you open it.
And then after Christmas, we gonna get you the rest.
I throw that to the ground.
Rip it! Rip it!
Rip it!
Rip it open!
Rip it! Y'all, he was really sad, y'all. How you got her bracelet and some nail set? That boy got his own PS4. Yeah, he really was sad. Yeah, we had to make sure we got you because you thought you was so sure that you had a PS4.
Yeah, okay, I got one.
And he done threw the basketballs down. You don't even care about the basketballs. He like, my PS4 ain't here.
Okay, God.
Now he trying to line everything up. I got one more gift for Brittany. Here. Nah. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. This is his phone. It's already activated. I activated it yesterday. I went to T-Mobile and I activated it.
He said, I can't take this serious.
You can have this phone done in January though. For
That's not my brother.
oh, this your what is it? This your niece.
That's your mom.
That is your niece. That's Kayla, baby.
So,
She don't believe she a grandma. Don't try to hide. Grandma Patricia, I can hear it now.
look, that's your mama, right?
That's your baby.
And that's her daughter. So, yeah. That,
Big head, I don't have. What you like about Christmas?
that we,
What you like about Christmas?
we like about
What you like about Christmas?
I woke up.
What you like about Christmas?
Girl. Yes.
oh my gosh.
Yes, honey. Yes.
Yes, honey.
And I woke up to my family.
Oh,
want that.
oh, Aubrey.
I want that.
Aubrey. Oh, Aubrey.
She talking about she want this.
I do.
Aubrey, come get in your car. You checking your mama's temperature? Come get in the car.
Oh, yes, I do.
The doors can
Hold on.
Oh my God.
Everybody trying to get in Aubrey car, but Aubrey. This is nice. Aubrey, come get in your car. Let us see you. She looking like I don't know what to do. She looking like I don't know what to do. She like, hold on.
She don't want y'all to touch it. She don't want y'all.
I don't know what to do. She like, hold on.
She don't want y'all to touch it. She don't want y'all to
Oh,
touch
she
it.
mad, honey.
She don't want y'all to touch it.
Get back.
She said get back.
Y'all, it's you out with her. I miss for Christmas. Dang, who big scoop of jelly is that? Where? Sister made us mimosas, y'all. Mimosas.
Don't get nobody.
I don't know why this plate was this.
Yeah,
Dang, slow down.
You wanna go first?